So here's a follow-on video on the RME 45 receiver. I wanted to make this video for the gentleman in Canada who purchased it. This is the BFO pitch shaft, and it goes here. You would take off this little coupler here. I have it on there just for safekeeping. And insert this through the BFO pitch there, put it through there. And just slide it onto here and tighten it up, and that'll be good to go. So when I got the radio, this thing was loose, and I figured, well, it'll probably come loose again, so I took it out. All right, guys, that's about it for this thing. Looks like there was some power supply work done here, which is great. And somebody marked it all, which is cool, about what does what, which I think is great. I never tuned up the bottom of this thing, but I did some work on the top. It's actually a great radio. I probably should have kept it, but I don't know. Too many radios, and it's big, big, big. It's really big. It's big. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.